at the end of every month, what I do is I try to make a video about my profit and loss. And I'm not talking about one single trade, but I close my month, and whatever is my profit or loss, I make a video about it. See friends, the main reason why I make videos about my profit and loss is because I want people to understand that this is possible. I want people to understand that you can make money in swing trading. So that is how I started making these profit and loss videos towards the end of the month. And this video is also something like that. So in the month of March, how much profit or loss I have made, I will share in this video. You will also learn why consistency is very, very important for swing trading if you want to become successful in swing trading in this video. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel, because in this channel I make videos about swing trading. You know why I started making these videos in this YouTube channel? The main reason I started making videos in this YouTube channel is because I was exactly like you. I was doing intraday trading in working hours, and I was losing money. See, my basic nature is that I get very, very easily stressed. That is why I shifted from intraday trading to swing trading. So when I started to do that, the interesting part was I noticed that I started to make profit. So, and then slowly I started to build a system, a trading system, which was helping me and make more and more profit. And then I started to work around that system. I started to develop it. I started to develop my own strategy using momentum, and now I use what is called a reversal strategy for my swing trading. So now not only I trade in equity cash market, but I also trade in the option markets. Consistency and risk management is very, very important for swing trading. So if you want to become good at swing trading, then do watch this video till the end, because it's going to be very, very useful for you. You're going to learn a lot of useful things about swing trading. Before we get started, let me tell you how many trades I took and what is the overall profit or loss I have made this month. So friends, if you see this month, I have made a total loss of 5,000 rupees. Okay, I'm not very proud of it. I really hate it. But for me to get to this point was a journey. So I want you to understand that journey, because it will be useful for you when you set foot on your journey as well. So I have taken totally about 15 trades this month. Okay, not everything is options. Some are also cash market trades, and whenever I take a trade in a cash market, it's usually a long trade. It's not a short trade, and most of the time I am selling options. I'm not buying options. Now let us see how much is my loss, including the brokerage. So this is my Zerodha account, friends, and I have selected March 1st to March 31st. Okay, so the month of March, we will be able to see what is the result in the month of March. You can see over here the segment which I have selected is equity, and in equity segment I have made a net profit of 6,000 rupees. But in futures and options, if you see, I have made a loss of net loss of 14,300. So if you do the math, I think the loss is about 8,000 rupees including brokerages. Yes, not a good feeling, right? Definitely not a good feeling. But if you are where I am, then you will feel better. So let us see what are the kind of trades I've taken, what are the mistakes I have made, so that you can actually learn from this mistake. So in options, you see the major losses are these two trades, one in Berger Paints and the other in HDFC Bank. In Berger Paints, I lost about 25,000 rupees, and in HDFC Bank, I lost about 13,000 rupees. These were my massive trades, massive losses. In the middle of the month, these were my major losses. In the beginning of the month, I made these profits, which was actually giving me a lot of confidence. Actually, when the month started, I was very, very positive about how my trades were going. So if you can see, in Nifty, I made 13,000 rupees of profit. Exide, I made 6,000 profit. and so I made 20,000 rupees profit in just the first week of the month. See friends, if you want to be consistent in stock market, you have to do what is called risk management. Risk management is very, very important. See friends, whenever I was trading in the cash market, I usually risk about 1% of my capital. So according to that, in if I take 1% risk with my capital, I should be maximum risk I should take is about 7,000 rupees. But what I did was I took a risk up to 25,000 rupees. My fourth trade, if you can see over here in Berger Paints, my loss is 25,000 rupees. So for me to overcome this loss, you know how many trades I have to take? I have to take 3 to 4 trades and very good trades, you know, for me to overcome this loss. Okay, so this is the issue which I had made. This is the biggest mistake I had made. Friends, whenever you're trading, you have to understand how much risk you can actually afford to take, because if that risk is affordable, then your mind will be prepared to, you know, overcome that. You know, whenever you make a loss which you can afford, then it becomes easy for you to take the next trade. If you make a loss which you cannot afford, then it will become very, very difficult for you to get back into another trade using the same strategy. So luckily for me, my husband took me out and he made me meet one very good trader who is very excellent at what he is doing. And I randomly heard this word which actually helped me out. So the word that I heard from these traders and in this special meeting that my husband took me to was, just take it as bad luck. It was very, very helpful for me, friends, because see, I was so afraid of the loss that I have made. I started to worry about it, that I started to think that I may not be able to trade again. I know this is not a very big loss, but at that point of time my mind was thinking like that. So I started to think, maybe I cannot overcome this loss easily. 25,000 rupees, maybe it will take me 3 months to overcome this loss, because I was very, very afraid at that time. And it was not a easy place for me to come out of. And so when you're not sure about what to do, then your mind will start thinking several things and you don't know which is the right thing to do. My stress levels had come down a lot. I had relaxed a lot from the trade, and I got a new idea. Just take it as a bad luck. So what I would have normally done is, I would have tried to take few more trades and in the option selling itself, and I would have tried to make profits, but I would have ended up in loss because I would be revenge trading. So my mind would have constantly told me to enter any trade without looking at the checklist, without looking at the market conditions. See, the market was actually reversing at the time. So usually using my strategy, this is a reversal strategy, so it will work only when the market is trending. When the market is reversing, you will definitely have hits. So at that time, for me to lose money is normal. But the problem was, I have taken a very big risk. Without any risk management, I have gotten into option selling. So it is obvious I will face loss, when the market is reversing. That is what happened. So if this had not come to my mind, okay, if I had not been ready to let go of that loss and say, okay, it's just a bad luck, yeah, what can you do? The loss happens. So if without this kind of mindset, if I had continued in the same feeling I had, then I would have made more loss. It is important for you to let go of those feelings and start new. So because I did that, I was able to get into I realized the market was becoming bullish. So what I started to do was, I started to enter into bullish positions. I started to take bullish trades, and I started to take them in cash market instead of doing it in options market, because I'm still not ready to get into that option selling part, but definitely I will get back into that. So I took several trades in the cash market, and it was very, very profitable for me. So already in the beginning of the month itself I had made 20,000 rupees profit, and in the middle of the week I made 40,000 rupees of loss, and towards the end of the week I made another 10,000 rupees of 12,000 rupees of profit, which eventually ended up for me to make about 5,000 rupees loss. I closed this month with a 5,000 rupees loss, which is nowhere close to 40,000 rupees. So in the beginning of this video I told you that you will learn consistency, why consistency is important in trading. So I will very soon explain why consistency is very important. Before that, I want you to understand that there are certain services which I provide. Okay, so I have a Telegram channel. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, you should join, because in my Telegram channel I share swing calls. So swing trade calls and breakout charts. I also share my analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you want that kind of analysis, and most of the time my analysis is very good, I heard from a lot of people that I'm good at what I'm doing. So if you want to take a second opinion, then you can join my Telegram and look at my analysis for not only Nifty and Bank Nifty but for several stocks as well. Okay, this is the first thing I want to tell you. So the second thing I want to tell you is I have a whatever strategy I have learned in the past 3-4 years, whatever system I have built, I'm actually teaching that system to others who want to actually become full-time swing traders. So if you are making losses in intraday trading, then this is your anchor, this is your hope. Okay, because I know how difficult it can be to lose money in stock market. So especially in intraday trading, I know how much of stress it can bring to you, how much of pain it can bring to you. And if you want to overcome all that pain, and if you want to be happy by making profit, then switch to swing trading. And if you want to switch to swing trading, I have the perfect strategy for you, which I can teach through a course. So if you want to know more details about my course, just send me an email to contact@swingtradershub.com. I will share all the details right back to you. It's more like a challenge. So if you're ready for a challenge, then just reach out to me. Okay friends, let me tell you why consistency is very, very important for trading. So friends, see, when I started to make profit, I started off with 2,000 rupees profit. Okay, so I'll make 2,000 rupees profit on a weekly basis. So every week at least one trade I will make 2,000 profit, and over the period of time, after making say 10 trades, making 2,000 rupees profit became very, very simple for me. So making 2,000 rupees profit over a period of time became easy for me. So then I moved to 5,000 rupees profit. So from 2,000 you want to increase the number, right? So that is what I also did. I moved from 2,000 to 5,000 rupees. So I wanted to make more and more 5,000 rupee profit. So this was my aim. I will usually aim for this. So usually I will aim for 5% to 10%. So within that range I will get that kind of money which I am looking for. So if you want, this is the reason why consistency is important, friends. So you have to train your mind to make money. Okay, from the stock market, if you want to be successful, you have to train your mind to make money. So there are many people who will make 1 lakh profit and then several 20,000 rupee loss. You don't want to be one of them. If you want to become profitable, this is the way. Okay, first take 5,000 rupees, 10 5,000 rupee profits, then take 10,000 rupee profit. So where I am, I am in the stage where I can make 10 to 20,000 rupees profit, 10 to 15,000 rupees profit I can make in one trade using the number of quantity I'm talking about. So what I have to do is I have to make at least 10 to 15 or 20, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 rupee trade before I can move on to the next level. So what I did was, instead of moving to the next level, after making just 3 or 4 15,000 rupee profit trades and 20,000 rupee profit trades, I immediately wanted to go to 50,000 rupees. Now is that possible? Will your mind be ready for that? It won't be ready. So your mind starts telling you several things. What if you lose? What if you lose? What if you lose? Okay, and if you are like me, if you listen to your mind, you will get collapsed. So if you don't want to get collapsed, then you should train your mind. Hello, Friend, listen, 20,000 is very easy for me to make from the stock market. Train your mind little by little. Tell it 10,000 you made, 10,000 you made, 10,000 you made, 20,000 you made, 20,000 you made. Keep making money several times so that it becomes a habit for you. So this is why consistency is very, very important in trading, friends. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video, and if you let me know what are your thoughts about options selling and swing trading. If you are interested in learning swing option selling, let me know in the comment box and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great day. Take care, bye-bye, see you later very soon with another informative video on swing trading.